So I wanted to make this quick video on how to fix a Greenworks battery that is not charging. As you can see, and you may be having this problem as well, when you plug your Greenworks battery in, it attempts to charge and then it shuts off immediately, and then you have like a flashing red light here. So the reasoning that this is happening is whenever you work these batteries and you run them all the way down to empty, for some reason the battery does not recognize that this is a viable charger. So what you have to do is you have to unplug it and plug it back in. And you have to do this maybe 10, 15, 20 times. You do it for maybe like 10 minutes, unplug it, plug it back in, unplug it, plug it back in. Basically what you're doing is you're giving it a little juice each time until the battery is at 1%, and then the charger will kick in. So I'm gonna do this for the next 5 minutes or so. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes of plugging it and plugging it back in. And now we should be good. That is how you fix it. Sometimes you have to just do it yourself.